So Trump declared a national emergency, which gave the Secretary of Commerce the power to block information technology transactions, which targeted Huawei, the largest phone maker in the world after Apple, and currently the leader for 5G technology. This was due to changes made by the US government, saying the company stole trade secrets and violated US sanctions.
The Trump administration's
Some say Huawei was listed because of its leads in 5G technology, so this is like a get back from the US. And with the look of things, Huawei isn't slowing down on its 5G tech anytime soon. If anything, they are pushing it. The ban set for 1 year affects companies in the US from doing business with them. This could affect both companies and users. Major companies include tech giants like Google and Intel, which Huawei heavily rely on. This means the use of Play Store, your Gmail, and pretty much everything that has Google's signature on it will be obsolete. This leaves us with one question: is this the end for Huawei? The truth is, most of our appliances, from TV to your mobile phone and your air conditioner, are pretty much made in China, and this is something the US government knows about. With recent interviews with some Chinese observers, Huawei is trying to float, say like a plane flying with a hole in its wings, but trying to hang on. This also affects China as a whole. Some speculation shows the Chinese government may intervene since the US also rely on Chinese market for supplies and materials. In fact, the Chinese government recently issued a set of cyber regulations, which means that companies will have to evaluate national security risks if it affects national security. So in a way, China is trying to create their own entity list. Also, the Chinese government are looking into banning Apple from China, which is really a big deal as Apple have a big market in China. So this is going to be a huge blow to the US market. Did I also mention that the 8th largest private employer company, FedEx, will also be affected? Another speculation is with the release of a new OS which was set up to be launched by June if things get out of hand, but ended up being false. Although Huawei was reportedly filing patent for a new OS called ArcOS. Huawei only created this as a contingency OS if something went horribly wrong, which for me I think should be a good time to release. It will be world changing as they are just two leading mobile OS. For me, I hope they can come into some kind of agreement between each other and stop, because it's going to greatly affect both parties and most importantly, it's going to affect us. Alright guys, I just thought I'd do a quick one about this since it's kind of trending. I hope you enjoyed this and don't forget to subscribe and like and comment. It really helps.